What's up everybody, this is Carl from Abundant Living Ecuador, and today we are here in just outside of Malacatos. We're about to go on a bike ride with Chino's bikes and the whole crew. This is a very special route. We're going to go up to the Purunuma area, which is a beautiful town up in the hills. It's going to be all downhill, gorgeous views. We're going to do these types of things every single month. Once a month, Chino's going to organize a bike ride. So let's go and have some fun here and check out those beautiful areas. There's some waterfalls up there. There's a beautiful river as well. Let's go and have some fun. So we're driving down this road. This is known as the Road of Death. As you can see, you got a sheer drop right on the side and gorgeous views, but you definitely wouldn't want to fall down here. Check it out. So, you know, the cars drive right here, and as you can see, it's a sheer drop. So I've driven here with people and they typically are a little bit concerned, but beautiful country. Alright, so right behind us here we have the Chinguilamaca Valley. As you can see, the valley flattens out. There's a beautiful large river down there and lots of sugarcane. So people plant, there's a lot big sugarcane fields. Chinguilamaca is very interesting. There's a microclimate around there that is very special. One of the things that people say about it is that the weather's really nice and it's drier. It doesn't rain as much in this mountain range. Well, you still have the river, so there's plenty of water for watering. There's not a lot of rainfall. And another thing that's interesting specifically about Chinguilamaca is there's a type of snake that is actually present in this valley. It's called the macanchi. It's a special poisonous snake actually, or fer de lance is another name for it. And yeah, they're seen a lot in this valley. So keep that in mind if you ever visit Chinguilamaca. And right behind me we have the Chinguilamaca River. It's actually the Catamayo River, so this is a mix of the Kinara, Vilcabamba, San Pedro, Yangana, all mixed together, and it goes all the way down to Catamayo. Check it out. Alright, so we are here in the town of Purunuma. This is a beautiful small town in the mountains. Let's see, we're about probably an hour and a half almost away from Vilcabamba. And we're gonna start biking from here. It's surprising that there's a town up here because it's quite a ways away from everything else. But there's beautiful waterfalls, there's some lakes up here as well, lagunas. And yeah, very nice spot, definitely worth checking out. Chino is talking about how this is a way that people used to build homes back in the days. This is tapia and bareque, ¿no es cierto? It's like clay with bamboo and wood, and it's a very nice old traditional home here in Purunuma. So back in the days, people used to hang baskets off the ceiling because they didn't have refrigerators, and they would put cheese, meat, and other things, and that was their way to refrigerate, so the things don't go bad. So Chino was talking about when he was a child, you know, they lived very humbly, and back in those days, there were 5 brothers and sisters, and they would each take turn, and once a week, let's say, they would be able to have some rice with the tuna can, and mix the rice with the oils, and that was like a special treat for them, almost like going and having ice cream now.
Empezando la ruta se bajó la llanta, entonces donde vamos a darle la solución. Es lo importante en este caso cuando nos salimos en ruta, si no tenemos a alguien que conozca, aprender cada persona para poder nosotros dar el mantenimiento, porque imagínense, estamos de verdad, empezando la ruta y nos pasó esto. Miren, eso es lo que les digo, a veces un poquito la experiencia, la técnica, se empujé con la uña, la jalo, la saco, salió. Pues bien, se le ingresó otra más. Podemos ver en esta parte de aquí. Sacamos, como les digo, miren, fácil y sencillo como te muestro. Ha estado llena de espinas, la verdad. Eso también es importante antes a veces de salir en ruta, porque puede ser que ya las espinas estuvieron y no se percataron. Entonces siempre es bueno pegarle una revisadita a la llanta antes de salir. Todavía no los apuro, por eso me digo, ahí vean tranquilo las cosas. Bien, miren, en este caso, como imprudencia que yo cometí, no tuve para hinchar lo que es la llave francesa, pero siempre hay que en este caso buscar algún método. Miren, lo que le hice fue sacarle toda la base para poner la válvula de carro. Ahora le pusimos de esta bandera la manguera directo, le conectamos, ingresó y le hincha. Esto es lo que realmente aporta mucho en el ciclismo. Vamos a dar una vuelta chiquita para mirar.
All right, so we just made it up to the Mirador de la Peña. There's a little urna, little shrine here, and on the other side as well. And then the views, whew, the views from up here are spectacular. Check it out. So we just came down from the town of Purunuma. Purunuma is at 2,420 meters above sea level. So it's definitely colder up here. We got a nice breeze, but check out what we're gonna go down. This is basically the road that we're going down. So we're about 2 hours away from the river down below, and it's basically 100% downhill from here. So let's go and have some fun. All right, so while we're here, we wanted to go check out the Mirador de la Peña. We're gonna hike up to the top of this hill here, and from up there, we'll definitely get the best views in the whole area. So as we're riding downhill, just wanted to point out the beautiful red rocks here. Once again, this type of clay, it's actually a type of clay, red clay is used for making bricks in this region. And look at those gorgeous views from right here. Oh, there you go. This is a very common sight in this region of Ecuador anyways. A cow sleeping on the side of the road. Not uncommon at all. Hey buddy. Oh, no, I don't want to scare you. We're good, we're good. Oh, cuidado, cuidado. Wait. All right, so we finished our bike ride. Unfortunately, we had an unexpected situation. One of the gentlemen that came with us on the bike ride had an accident, fell off the bike, hit his head. He's all bruised up and everything. So we came here to the emergency room. On that note, Ecuador has a great public healthcare system. This is the public hospital here in Vilcabamba. All the treatments are completely free. They're even part of the constitution in Ecuador is that hospitals have to treat foreigners. So the man's a foreigner and you can get free treatment here. And they've been very nice, very kind to us. So he's in there recovering. Anyways, we hope to see you here one day in Vilcabamba, Ecuador. And until then, see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel right here. Check out our real estate channel right here for content that you will absolutely love. Click right here. And if you want to know how we got here, click here.